again. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana. I'm coming to you with the unboxing. This is my first time receiving this box. This is a nail subscription. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but it came in this package right here. Very big, but the box is this big. But it came in this container right here, my information. But I think it says CHRYSO box or CHRYSO box. If you can see that. Okay, so this is the box right here. Again, this is my first time like unboxing this and receiving this box. And I don't know if this is life is too short for boring nails. Your girl got boring nails right now. But yeah, it says that right there. Then it says CHRYSO box or CHRYSO box right here, hashtag. Okay, so I think this box is $34.99 a month. I'm gonna be receiving it every month. So I'm excited to get some new polishes to use for my company when I do clients' nails. I was excited to see, you know, what they had. And I love the colors that they have. The colors pop, they're thick, the containers are large. All pluses for me and those who do nails, nail techs and everything like that. So yes, let's just get into this box. I will have the link down below if you are interested in subscribing to receive a box. Again, it is $34.99 because I'm subscribed to another box too that is gonna be a nail box. But yeah, I think this is $34.99. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And when you first open it, it has CHRYSO box right here with the little gold. And it has the black paper that I will be keeping because my colors for my business is black, white, and red. So I haven't been able to find black shredded paper, but I'm going to keep this. So this is how it looks. And now I'm going to dump this paper out so we can see what's in here. Okay, so I think this is like a mystery box, if I'm not mistaken, because it only has 2 things in it. So I don't really know like how that works. But I guess this is a mystery box. I'm not really sure. Okay, so I had to look and see what was going on with my emails because I was a little confused about this. So I ordered 2 boxes. I ordered a mystery box that was $25. Then I ordered the monthly subscription. The monthly subscription is $34.95. That's what's going to come out every month. I ordered a mystery box. So this is the mystery box. So it came with 2 polishes. That's it. Like this was $25. And they're 14 milliliters, which is really big for polishes, but I need to do some research to see. So yeah, I don't even understand, but whatever. So I paid $25 for these 2. This my mystery, it's unraveled, whatever. So I'm still waiting on the actual box that you get every month. I'm still waiting on that. But I'll just show you this polish right here. This is how the polish looks. It says, I can't even pronounce, dry fast top coat. CHRYSO. I don't even know, y'all. I'm trying to pronounce it. This is how it looks. Let me try to see what's going on. I'm going to put it on my fingernail. It's pretty glossy. It doesn't feel thick at all. It feels really nice, actually. I'm kind of not mad. It looks nice. So this is how it looks. It really looks nice. So I'm not as mad as I thought I was gonna be. I already see that it's starting to dry, which that is really awesome. And this will probably be a really good top coat. I guess this is okay. I wouldn't necessarily spend $25 on 2 polishes, but I mean, I don't know. I feel like I kind of got ripped off a little bit, just a little. But hey, this is the box that I got. This is my mystery box, and I just have 2 of these polishes in there. It says that they dry fast. This is how they look. This is the name of them. I mean, it is drying pretty fast. It does have like a shine and a shimmer to it, so that's pretty good. But I don't know, I was expecting way more out of this box, and I was thinking that it was caught up in this black stuff, but it's really only 2 polishes and a lot of paper. Yeah, I'm gonna have to watch some videos too to see if other people ordered this mystery box and did they get 2 polishes. So that's pretty much all for my video. I'm still gonna have the link down below if you all want to get a box, you know. If y'all want to get a box. But that's all I have. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44 and my business Instagram at Press Nails and Beauty. And yeah, this is a bomb twist out. I just want y'all to know, because you know I have to talk about it. Look at this. Oh, it ain't giving life. It ain't bouncing back, but it's okay. It's okay. But yeah, until next time, my key bees and key dogs out there. Peace.